lifestyle lovers, welcome back to It's E Lifestyle. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Erica. My channel is called It's E Lifestyle, and it is all about creating the lifestyle that you love. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so this is week 2 Vlogmas vlogs. I told you guys last week that I'm doing one Vlogmas vlog that is going to be dedicated to the holiday season. So in this vlog, I am going to be creating like a white Christmas village. I guess that's what you call it. I'm going to be creating a white Christmas village, and I'm going to do it right there on my coffee table. So I have not purchased anything new, because I told you guys in a previous vlog, the goal this year is to not spend a lot of money on Christmas decor, but I do want to kind of change it up a little bit. So the only thing that I purchased was this little house, because I do not have any of these. I purchased this from Walmart. It was around $13, and I am going to be using my little snowmen. These I purchased from CB2, and I decorate my bookcase with them. I think I bought these a few holiday seasons ago to decorate for Christmas, but I end up just putting them on the bookcase. At the first of the year, I am going to be kind of rearranging some things and doing some redecorating with my bookcase. So I am looking at some new pieces for the bookcase. I may just keep these for the holiday season. I don't know if these are going to go back on the bookcase, but this is the only thing that, well, the only thing that I purchased was the house. Then I'm taking this from the bookcase. I'm going to pull out some of my old Christmas decor from the garage, and hopefully I can use all of that in order to make the snow village. I guess it's a snow village, a white village, I don't know, but I'm going to be using whites and lights because that is my Christmas theme. That's what I'm calling it, whites and lights. So yeah, that's going to be this dedicated Christmas vlog. And once I have completely kind of decorated the house, then I will give you guys like a tour, because I'm thinking I may decorate the table. I'm not sure yet. But whatever I decide to do, I don't want to go out and spend a lot of money on Christmas decor. That is just not the goal this year. So let me go ahead and pull out my bins from the garage and we'll get started. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so let's see what we have. Okay, so looks like we have a few of these. Let's see. This is mostly the white decor. I'm going to use the snow flock. Am I going to use this? I'm going to use the snow flock for the snow, so let's pull that out. And we have some little deers and different things. I don't think I want to use any silver. Let's see what's in here. And we have some more silver. Looks like we have some black trees. Okay, so looks like we have a black Merry Christmas. I don't know, we'll see. But this is what I have. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna set you guys up so you can get a good view, and we will, let's see, we'll get started. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so this is how it turned out. The only thing that I'm probably going to add to it is some more lights. So what I'll do is I'll get the battery operated lights with a white cord, and I'll just place it, you know, just place it throughout the snow. And when I started off this, I started off with the flock snow. I do not recommend using the flock snow because that is going to be hell to clean up. I recommend the frosted snow. So once I opened the bin with the frosted snow, then I went in with the frosted snow, which is like a clear snow. But I do not recommend the flock snow because it is going to be hell to clean up. But I'm gonna add some more lights. This is how it looks. And I also switched out my pillows to my white linen lumbar pillows. I just picked those up from the cleaners, but they didn't do a good job, or they did not come as clean as I thought they would have. So the next time I may just try to clean them myself. I will link those. Those are from Pottery Barn. So I just switched the black out for the white. They come in a variation of colors. And so this is how it looks. And also, I had some garland that came in this week. And I already have my Sunday vlog filmed. So you're going to see this garland again in the Sunday vlog. But I wanted to share it with you guys because I ordered it from Amazon, but it's not on Prime. Let me just, okay. Okay, y'all, give me one moment. Let me adjust my settings. Okay, so I ordered it from Amazon, but it's not on Prime. It took maybe like 4 or 5 days to come, but it's really, realistic. I wish it was a little bit longer, but this is like a 6 feet garland. And so I just have this over the fireplace, but it's really thick and really realistic. So I'll link this just in case you want to get your hands on it before Christmas, because you can use this, you know, to decorate like a tablescape. But yeah, I love that garland and I wanted to share it with you, but it is going to be in Sunday's vlog as well, but just in case you want to order it. So yeah, so that is it for this week 2 Vlogmas vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, lifestyle lovers. I hope you're having a great week, a great weekend, a great holiday season whenever you're watching this. I love you guys and I will see you on the next video. Bye y'all.